everyone and welcome to another vlog. So today it is Monday and Elisa is in nursery. I've come to pick up my sister and we are gonna go and have a little adventure today. I don't know what exactly we're gonna do. I think we're gonna go have breakfast in Chaiwala and then go shopping. Anyway, Isa is being a little munchkin and I'm just gonna go and get her now. So
oh, you're so handsome and warm. Does it look different?
yeah. So guys, so this place that I just went to for breakfast, you just saw what I had and it was absolutely delicious. Like, we were planning to go to Chaiwala as I said before, but we decided that we wanted to try something different. We parked outside of this place. We were intended to go to Chaiwala and it's just opposite on Ladypool Road, the opposite side of the road to Chaiwala. And guys, it was so nice. The decor was beautiful and the chai was really nice, and we had the desi spice breakfast, I can't remember what it was called, and it was just really nice. I really enjoyed it. We got Elisa a unicorn cake to take away. I'll show you that when we have that, but it doesn't seem that nice. Like, you saw the selection of cakes that they have. How amazing do they all look? But yeah, we've just stopped to drop something off to Tot's husband, and now we're just about to head to the jewelry quarter because she needs to drop a ring off, and then we're gonna go to B&M, I believe. I don't know. Well, I think so. And guess who's here? It's Elisa. Say hi.
Hi.
We just picked Elisa up from school.
Should I give it to her?
Yeah.
Ooh.
So this is your cake.
My prize.
Your prize.
Present.
Do you like the look of it? Does it look delicious? Should we go and share it with Luna?
Yes.
Come on then, let's go. Come on.
What has it got on top of it?
It's called a unicorn cake. Look at her.
I'm the queen in the middle.
You're the queen in the middle.
Yeah.
Look, Luna, do you like it?
The queen.
Do you like it? Can't spend money on things like this right now.
Fair enough. That one's like got green on it as well.
Yeah, that has.
It's like the same thing. It's the same selection, I think.
Oh, it's the same softness.
Yeah.
I thought I'd give you a little update. We just came to my mum's house to pick up a key, Tot's key, and now we are going to go back to my sister's house. I have Luna with me and Elisa, of course.
Why? What's wrong?
What are you doing that noise for? What happened? Did you hurt your teeth?
She wants to see Nanny.
Oh, well, Nanny's at Luna's house.
Yeah, Nanny's at Luna's house. You saw Nanny.
We're gonna go see her now.
We're gonna go now.
No? But yeah, we're just gonna head back to my sister's house, go give the baby some more cuddles, get Isa, and hopefully this one will fall asleep because she's in a little grump. And this one, hopefully she don't fall asleep, otherwise she won't sleep tonight.
He smells so nice, Dad.
He does. Elisa, stay close, please.
I could be who you want, cause I know that I need to be happy too. And then things turn to dust when I bluff just to mess up and tell the truth.
Mommy!
Yeah?
Easter dropped your camera on.
Easter dropped my camera.
Yeah.
Cheeky boy. Hey. So I am now at my sister's house and we are going to start prepping her food for later because she is cooking for her in-laws and my mum and some other people. I'm going to help her do some of the prep. So yeah, this is her kitchen. Do you remember it from that when I filmed cleaning it, moving when she moved in? But yeah, look how nice her living room is. Excuse the throws on the sofa. She doesn't want her sofa getting ruined from the kids, but it's such a beautiful colour. And then this is the rest of the room. How cute is it? Oh my god.
All I hear is an echo. Turn the words up you say to ammo. Sleeping on the side of the bed though. Weeks have gone, can't let go. I go crazy when you call my name. Make me lose my game. When you call my name, I go crazy, cause I can't escape. When you call my name, when you call my name, I go crazy. When you call my name, make me lose my game. When you call my name, I go crazy, cause I can't escape. When you call my name, when you call my name. Can't disguise who I am when I am with you. My armor fell off cause your words got me naked, got me naked. All I hear is an echo. Turn the words up you say to ammo. Sleeping on the side of the bed though. Weeks have gone, can't let go.
So we are home now and I have started cooking, as you can see, and we're just at home. Easter's being very clingy, so I've had to do half of it with him being on my hip. What is it? Is it a fan? Whee. But yeah, we're just gonna eat and then I'm gonna get the kids to bed, give them a bath and get them to bed for 7. But I think I'm gonna end the vlog now. But thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!